Hi, I'm Beaver Buddy. Get ready for a magical children's story with a heartwarming moral about the power of working together to build something truly special. Can one small beaver build a whole dam by himself? In a quiet forest, a clever beaver named Bruno believed he didn't need anyone's help at all. Bruno was fast, strong, and had the sharpest teeth in the riverbank. "Why wait for others?" he said. "I can build the best dam all on my own." The other animals offered to help. "We're great at carrying logs," chirped the chipmunks. "We're great at planning," hooted the owls. But Bruno said no. With his paws and teeth, Bruno began dragging branches across the muddy stream. His back hurt, but he smiled. "See? I don't need anyone," he grunted. Days passed. Bruno's dam grew tall but wobbly. The branches leaned oddly, and water still leaked underneath. Still, he kept saying, "I've got this." Meanwhile, across the stream, a group of turtles, rabbits, and birds built a little dock together, laughing, singing, and sharing carrots and bugs. Bruno scoffed. "They're just playing," he muttered. "Serious builders work alone." He chewed another branch and placed it carefully on his dam wall. That night, dark clouds gathered, and the wind howled through the trees. Thunder cracked. Bruno shivered, but refused to leave his unfinished dam. Rain poured. The river swelled. Bruno's dam creaked and groaned. "Just hold a little longer," he whispered, stacking more twigs with trembling paws. Suddenly, a huge wave crashed down. The dam burst with a mighty splash. Bruno tumbled into the current, bumping into logs and branches as he spun. "Help!" he cried, his voice barely heard over the roaring water. Just when he thought he'd be swept away, a sturdy branch floated under him. But it wasn't a branch, it was a turtle. "Hang on!" shouted Toby the turtle. Birds flew above and rabbits tugged at vines to pull Bruno to safety. Drenched and shivering, Bruno sat on the riverbank, staring at the ruins of his dam. He looked at the team who had just saved him. "Why?" he asked. "Because that's what teams do," said Toby gently. "Even when someone says no, we still look out for each other." Bruno lowered his head in shame. "Your dam was big," chirped a robin, "but teamwork makes things strong, not just big." Bruno blinked as the meaning of those words sank in. "Would you still want to help me build it again?" he asked quietly. The animals smiled wide. "Of course," they said. "Let's build the best dam ever." This time, Bruno watched as each friend took a special job. The owls mapped the structure, the chipmunks collected twigs, and the turtles hauled logs. Bruno helped too, but now he listened and laughed with everyone. He wasn't the boss anymore. He was part of something much bigger and better. They sang songs while they worked. One bunny even wrote a rhyme. "Logs and vines and clever paws, we build with joy and forest laws." The new dam rose quickly. Stronger, wider, and beautifully curved. It sparkled with flowers the birds tucked in between the branches. When it was done, the water flowed calmly, and the forest animals gathered around. "This is amazing," Bruno whispered, his voice full of awe. "It's more than just a dam," said Toby. "It's a home, a meeting place, a sign of what we can do together." Everyone cheered and danced. That night, lantern bugs lit up the trees like tiny stars. The animals feasted by the dam, sharing stories and crunchy river snacks with joy. Bruno sat beside a chipmunk and handed her a leafy plate. "Thanks for coming back," he said. I thought I didn't need anyone. I was wrong. You were brave to ask for help, said the chipmunk. That's even harder than building a dam. Bruno smiled and felt warmth in his chest. From then on, the dam wasn't just Bruno's project. It belonged to all of them. They painted it with paw prints and built slides and tunnels. When new animals came to the forest, Bruno was the first to welcome them. "Want to help us build something?" he'd ask with a wag of his tail. And when someone said, "I can do it alone," Bruno would chuckle and say, "Maybe, but it's way more fun with friends." The forest grew even livelier, with bridges, nests, boats, and even a swing made from moss and vines, all built with many hands and open hearts. Moral: working together makes everything stronger, happier, and more magical than doing it alone. See you soon with more magical adventures, wonderful places, and heartwarming tales with Beaver Buddy.